This is for year 11 methods. We're going to exercise 5F, question number 5. Okay, so we're given information in function form. F of 2 equals f of 4 equals 0, and 7 is the greatest value of f of x. And we know it's a quadratic function, so that's really important. Okay, so f of 0, f of 2 equals 0, and f of 4 equals 0. We need to interpret that. What does that actually mean? Okay, f of 2 equals 0. So when x equals 2, y equals 0, essentially, or f equals 0. That actually tells me that it's x-intercept. So we have x-intercepts at 2, 0 and 4, 0. And our maximum value is 7. Okay, so we've got a quadratic, we have two x-intercepts, and we have a maximum value at 7. Okay, so how can I process this? Well, why can't I write a model which I can use? So for example, since we have two x-intercepts, wouldn't it make sense to put it choose a model which incorporates x-intercepts? So a minus x minus b, x minus c. Okay, I know what my x-intercepts are. They're 2 and 4. Okay, so I can substitute 2 and 4 for b and c, because I know they'll be -2 and -4, because when I use the null factor ball, I'll get x-intercepts at 2 and 4, which is what I want. But we don't know what our a value is. Okay, a is like a dilation factor. Now this is where this comes in. We know the maximum's at 7. However, we don't really have a coordinate, because we know that the turning point is something 7. Okay. So the only way to solve for that unknown, or to get that x value of the turning point, we know it's the average of the two x-intercepts, because with a quadratic, if I have two x-intercepts, the x coordinate would be the average of the two x-intercepts. So the average of 2 and 4 is 3, so x must be 3. Okay, the coordinate must be 3, 7. Great, we can sub it into the equation to work out what a is. So f of 3 equals 7. So 7 equals a when x equals 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 4 is -1. -1. So a equals -7, because we divide both sides at -1. F of x must equal -7, x plus 2, x plus 4, and that should give you the answer. Okay, hopefully that gives you an idea how to do it. Now, the other way you can do it is you don't have to use the x-intercept model, like the factor form model. You can use it as another model, the turning point model, a minus x minus b squared plus c. So you can do it like that, because you know what the turning point is already. We know the turning point's at 3, 7, minus 3 plus 7. I can sub in one of the values, 2, 0 or 4, 0, and work out what a is. So you can, there's multiple ways of doing it. It's up to you how you choose to do it. Hopefully it helps.